Hi, my name is Sachin Takmare, and you are welcome to the seventh video of this series. In the previous video, we understood the complete big picture of AI and the differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI. In this video, we will understand an important concept from our series title Neurons to ChatGPT. What is a neuron? For now, just keep in mind that a neuron is a basic building block of all AI applications. To understand a digital neuron, we first need to understand a biological neuron. A biological neuron is the basic unit of the human brain. Our brain is made up of billions of neurons. What does each neuron do? It receives signals, processes them, and sends signals to the next neuron. A biological neuron has three main parts: dendrites, it receives signals; cell body, it processes the signals; and axon, it sends the output signals to the next neuron. In this way, information flows from one neuron to another neuron in our brain. It allows us to think and make decisions. Scientists thought, can we create similar neuron inside machine? This idea led to the creation of the digital neuron. A digital neuron is a mathematical model inspired by the human brain. In a biological neuron, we have signals. In a digital neuron, we work with numbers. A digital neuron takes multiple input which are called features in AI. For example, consider a person, its age, height, weight, mobile number, gender, education, and so on are the features of a person. They are given as the input to the neuron. Each input has a weight which represents its importance in making decisions. The importance of each feature can change depending on the problem. For example, if entry is allowed only for women, then the gender feature become more important. If it is an army selection process, then the features like age, height, and weight become more important. This change in importance is represented by changing the weights. The neuron multiplies each input with its corresponding weight and calculates the weighted sum. Then a function is applied to this value called the activation function. This function decides what output should be passed to the next neuron. This final value is called the output of the neuron. This output is then passed to the next neuron. In simple terms, a neuron makes a decision by considering the importance of inputs. This digital neuron is called a perceptron in AI. The perceptron is the basic building block of any neural network. What does a perceptron do? It learns to make decisions based on input data. A single perceptron can solve a simple problem like binary classifications. However, it has many limitations. So, using only one perceptron is not sufficient. Now imagine not just one perceptron but thousands of or even millions of perceptrons all connected to each other, and it forms a neural network. A neural network is organized into layers: input layer where the data is given, hidden layers where the learning happens, there can be multiple hidden layers and the output layer where the final result is produced. Each layer contains multiple perceptrons and they are connected to each other. If every perceptron in one layer is connected to every perceptron in the next layer, it is called a fully connected neural network. Data flows from input layer to the output layer, layer by layer. During this process, the network learns patterns from the data. Let us understand this with practical example. Suppose we have data set of 100 students. For each student, we have two input features, CGPA and IQ. And the output is the salary package in lakhs. CGPA represents academic performance and IQ represents the ability to think and solve problems. We use this data to train a neural network. CGPA and IQ are given as inputs to the network. The perceptrons in the hidden layers perform calculations. The network learns the importance of each input, how much CGPA and IQ affect the final result. The data flows layer by layer and the network gives the output. It predicts the salary package. Initially, the network gives random output, but we compare the predicted output with the actual output from the data set. We calculate the errors or the difference. Based on these errors, the weights are updated. This process repeated many times. Gradually, the neural network learns to make accurate predictions. This trained neural network is called an AI model. After training, when we give data of a new student, the model can predict the expected salary package. In simple terms, the model learns the relationship between CGPA, IQ, and the salary. So, in this video, we understood what a biological neuron is, what a digital neuron is, what a perceptron is, and how perceptron form a neural network. In the next video, we will learn what is forward propagation, what is backward propagation, and how they work inside a neural network. So, to continue this storytelling series, Neurons to ChatGPT, stay connected with me. Follow, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are really interested in learning AI. See you in the next video of this series. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.